Hey tech lovers! Meet the DermRays V8S and V6S, the two high-tech gadgets built completely different for skin tones. But which one's suitable to your skin? Let's break down the differences, my hands-on impressions, and which one I'd actually recommend. Let's start with their utilities and wavelengths. The V8S pulls 810 nanometers. Diode laser wavelength, faster, higher power option for lighter, medium skin tones. The V6S equals 1064 nanometers diode, longer wavelength, built for darker skin tones with deeper penetration and a safer melanin profile. Use V8S if you need speed on Fitzpatrick 1.5. Use V6S if you have darker skin or want the 1064 nanometer safety margin. Energy per performance claims? The V8S brand lists high energy, power, and fast full body times. Meanwhile, the V6S advertised up to 7 joules square centimeters energy density in product copy and clinical reduction claims. When it comes to the price, both sit in the same DermRays lineup and are similarly priced as alternate models for different skin tones. Impressions? The V8S Impression feels marketed as the fast option. Quick treatment windows and large flash head make it attractive for full-body users. If you're lighter-skinned, it's positioned for faster visible thinning. Some users report it's comfortable to use. Others report results take time, weeks, months. Meanwhile, the V6S Impression feels more targeted at users with darker complexions. The 1064 nanometers wavelength is a known choice for reducing melanin absorption risk while still reaching the follicle. Good for safety-minded users with darker skin. Brand claims measurable reduction in 8 to 12 weeks. Real-world users report slower, but noticeable thinning. Expectations should be realistic. So, who should buy which? Buy the V8S if your Fitzpatrick skin tones 1.5, lighter to medium. You want faster sessions and a device optimized for quicker coverage. And you have dark, coarse hair you want to treat. Buy the V6S if you have darker skin tones, deep brown, are worried about safety, PIH, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, or your provider recommended a 1064 nanometers wavelength for your skin-hair combo. Don't buy either if you expect immediate, clinic-level permanent results after a couple sessions. Set expectations, months of scheduled treatments plus maintenance. So, what do you think? Use the links below if you would like to buy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech reviews every week. Thanks for watching.